Hi, my name is Chanchal, and I'm back with another book that I read just last week. This is called When Money is God. It is written by Raj Bhaktur. Let me just briefly you who the author is. Raj Bhaktur has been working as an education officer at the Ministry of Education in Mauritius. He also has several other qualifications and experience, and probably that is why he is able to reflect on and make such a relatable book that I read this year. It is probably the most relatable book because most of the incidents that have happened in the book, you will be able to see those incidents happening around you in your everyday lives. So, as the name suggests, when money is God, you will read about the tremendous role of money in making or breaking anybody's life in the time that we live in today. So, what is the role and what power the money holds? All the layers we keep on unfolding as we read on to the chapters. Um, to summarize, it is a story of two brothers, Avtar and Jivesh, who were born and raised in a very loving and very loyal family. But as Jivesh grew up, he was indulged into a bad company and he took to illegitimate means of earning money. He even betrayed his brother by stealing his money of his housing loan. So, this book revolves around domains of all kinds. It revolves around domains of friendship, of family. There are also areas where you will see communal violence, but also contrasting to it, communal harmony is also shown. It deals with betrayals, corruption, show business, greed, lust, and everything that uh, can be destroyed can be destroyed or can be made with the power of money. Too much money can actually get into the head of someone, and how possessing any kind of money illegally, how it turns out to be, what are the consequences, what is the afterlife. So, this book is a classic example of how a man may reach the heights of society by criminal methods, while an honest person may be pushed down to streets by dark manipulations coming out from one's own blood. This story is very, very close to real life incidents. Once you read the book, you can relate to such experiences happening everywhere around you. I personally learned an important lesson that let the things grow at their own pace. Do not rush things because overnight money, easy money, that's a threat to a peaceful life. This is a very important life lesson that I have learned this book, and I literally have seen such kind of stories happening around my neighborhood, around in society, and we read such kind of news uh, in media also. So it did not feel like reading, any kind of alien thing, any kind of fiction thing. It felt too real to be true. It was so real. So I definitely suggest you all to put your hands on this book, grab it, and start reading it. It looks very lengthy, but trust me, once you start it, you can finish this in just one sitting. So happy reading.